Hi, good morning. It's Paul here, the Spaulding team, Berkshire Hathaway, Nevada Properties. Just going through what's actively on the market, what's going on this week with the greater Las Vegas real estate market. So, go to new listings first here. And get these situated. So, it's the most current ones first. Today it looks like we've got a brand new townhome here. Well, new to the market. Built in '78, 1,800 square feet, $199,900. And it is right there. Some sunshades, updated flooring, carpeting. Looks like it was just recently refurbished. Tile counters, but they're in good shape. Cabinets look like they're in pretty good shape. Oh, I wonder what that's for. Keeping people from going to the bathroom there. I guess looks like they just put new carpeting in it also. Turf out on the upper deck, 2-car garage. Get rid of all that crap. Washer and dryer in the garage. Okay, and where is this? This is, let's get out of the satellite mode so it's easier to read. Desert Inn and Sand Hill. Okay. Alright, looking good. Let's see, the highest priced is Arcadia Woods Court, 2-story single family home, 3,700 square feet. Nicely done to a certain extent. Organized closet, clean garage. What the heck is this in here for? It's pretty lame putting that in there. Okie dokie. It does have a spa but no pool. And where is it? Grand Canyon and Farm. Okay, up in the northwest. Fort Apache. Alright. Then, yesterday, out of the area. 2-story condo, 1,000 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Sahara and Lamb. Okay, 129. Villa Rica, 7 Hills, 2.9 million. Wow, nice backyard. Looks like a huge lot. City view. Good drone shot. It's a massive house. Sun City Anthem Eastern. Up at the top there. Okay. Alright. So, what else do we have here? We have under contract 568 properties under contract, 339 recently sold. Today is the 24th. So yesterday, Vegas Valley Drive, 60,000. Pretty rough. But for $60,000. Somebody would love to live there. Maryland Parkway in Vegas Valley. Okay. Good area there. I mean, decent. Close to the strip. One bedroom, one bath. Okay, then let's see. 23rd, 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 23rd. Fox Springs, 870,000, 5,000 square foot. Pool, spa, 5 bedrooms, 6 beds. Twilight shots. Nicely done. Interior. Nice house. 870,000, huh? Desert Inn and Wallaby, Southwest. Okay. Well, that is that. We're in 7 minutes. Let's see what's going on with pool homes. It's always interesting seeing where the market is. 3 days. Whoops. Single family homes. Yes. 78. Huh. Okay. What do I have here? Average price $176 a square foot, 450,000. Interesting. Alright, and then do we have anything new over here? I think we looked at this before. Homes for sales dropped off a bit. New listings dropped off a bit. Supplies dropped off a bit. Okay. So, I think that's about it for today. I will talk to you another day. Paul Spaulding, Berkshire Hathaway, the Spaulding team.